y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan, the owner and creator over here at Fine Designs by Megan, and today I'm going to be doing our 10th day of our 12 days of Christmas. So we've got 2 more after this one and we'll be done. So I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. In today's tutorial, I kind of did a little country twist. It's Merry Country Christmas, and this is the candy cane template from Diamonds and Dust. It's her twist template, but I went ahead and did a little bit of a cowhide country little thing to it to make it different. I am in the South and I am country and I just love country, so I had to do something country to go with Christmas. So this is what I have done. I hope you guys like it. All the products that I use will be down in the description box with a few discount codes to save you some money. You all need to save money, especially around Christmas time. And if you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section. Let's see, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think. And I guess that's enough talking for me. Don't forget to listen out for the jokes. I tricked you guys yesterday and I really got to see who was paying attention and who wasn't. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to be using this foil adhesive from Artistic Painting Studio, and I'm going to be using a 24-ounce Plump from Magnolia, and I'm going to brush on this foil adhesive with a soft brush so I don't have lines. And I'm going to do 1 coat, and I actually coated this before I went to bed, and then I let it sit overnight. It seems like the longer it sits, the better the adhesive is. I have no idea why, but it really is. And then after it's fully dry and done, I'm going to just roll it onto my cow print foil. I did get this foil also from the Artistic Painting Studio. There is a link and discount code in my description. And what I do is once I have it rolled, I'm going to use my soft side of my squeegee and I'm going to rub it pretty hard onto my cup. And then that way the foil will transfer onto my cup. And then if you look, you can see kind of like the soft discoloration from the foil. And that's how you know that it is like adhering onto your cup and releasing from that transfer foil or whatever sheet area. Once you think you have it on pretty good, you're going to start pulling up your foil or your carrier, and it's going to be clear. If there's any of the foil stuck on it, you can just rub it and it'll come off onto the cup. And then that's all you're going to do. And once you're done with that and it's completely onto the cup, you are going to epoxy it 1 time before we move on to the next part. Now I'm going to grab my template that I cut on the template vinyl from Oracle, and I am going to apply it to my cup. This is the twist template from Diamonds and Dust. I will link it down in the description box, the template. You can get it from her Etsy shop. And I'm just going to apply it straight down the line of where my foil line is. And I'm going to apply it just like I would like regular vinyl. If you've been watching my videos the past few days, I've done a lot of vinyl. So you're going to do it just the same. And then once you get it applied to your cup, I'm going to press it down with my squeegee to make sure it's down really good so none of the paint leaks. And then we'll move on to our next part. Now I'm going to start pulling up my lines, and I did mark which areas are going to be what. So my bigger chunk area is going to be cow print, then you're going to do teal, white, cow print, white, teal, and then cow print, okay? And I marked those so I know, and I'm going to pull up my lines, and then I'm going to get ready to paint and glitter. Now I did go ahead and spray paint where my white lines are going to be to cover up that cow print so you didn't see the cow print under the white with it being white. And now I'm just going to use the white paint from Artistry's 3-in-1 paint. I'm going to paint it on, and then I'm going to apply Snowball Fight. And that is from Diamonds and Dust. It's like a finer pearl white. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to apply that onto my white areas, and then I'm going to let it dry and brush it all off before we move on to our teal area. After you're done glittering, make sure you do pull up those areas around your white glitter. If you don't, when you go to pull it up after it's dried, it can pull up your glitter with it being paint, so I always try to pull mine up. And then once you get all those pull up, you're going to move on to your teal areas. I am going to use Teal Time 3-in-1 paint from Artistry to apply my glitter. I'm going to be using Aquaholic by Diamonds and Dust. It's kind of like a pretty teal. It's between teal and aqua. I thought it would go good with the cow print, so that's the color that I used. And I'm just going to apply it, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to remove the tape all around it. And then I'm going to let it dry for about an hour, and then I dust it all off before we go on to sealing it. I'm going to seal it twice with triple thick spray, and then I'm going to epoxy it 2 times before we go on to doing our tape lines and our decal. Here's the joke for the day. How do snowmen get around? Okay, don't forget to write that down and save it. 2 more days and you'll get to put all your answers on your Google form. Okay, onto our tape lines. I'm just going to take white vinyl. It's 651. I like this one because it's stretchy and I can pull on it and it doesn't, ruffle around the edges when you go around the curved area. So that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm also going to take this gold nail tape. I liked it because it was able to be stretched and it didn't budge up around the edges too, like around these corners. It makes it super hard. I know the thicker foil vinyl, it wasn't able to do it. I couldn't get it to stretch and lay flat for me, so I ended up using this nail tape and it worked perfect. So that's all I'm going to do. And I did edit out a lot of this because I would have been here forever. You'd be watching me forever adding these lines. And I just did different size ones. So some of the white lines are thicker than the others, and I just kind of mixed it up, and I just cut a bunch of different sizes and added it how I liked it until it was the look that I wanted. Where the cow print is and the teal, I ended up doing thicker lines, but where that's thinner with the white, I did do thinner lines. So I just mixed it up a little, but you can do whatever you want it. And then before I go and I epoxy this after I'm done, I do seal it with triple thick spray just for my lines because there's so many I didn't want anything to lift. And then I'm going to apply 1 coat of my Artistry Fast Set Thick one, and then we'll go on to our decal. Now I'm going to add my decal. I found this cute little Merry Country Christmas SVG on Etsy. I'll link it down in the description. And I'm just going to add that right where the chunkier of the cow print is. I'm just going to add it right over it. And once that's done, I'm going to apply 1 coat of epoxy and you're done. You're done with your cup. So it's super simple, super easy, and it's super cute. It looks like a lot of work went into it, but it wasn't too bad. The hardest part was doing the tape lines, and other than that, it's good. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It helps me more than you guys even know. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I don't know what that does, but it obviously does something. And I hope you enjoyed it. So I will catch you guys tomorrow on day 11. And we only have 2 more left. Are y'all excited? How have you guys liked it so far? Let me know down in the comments section. And I'll be talking to you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.